Tamu, no, Pagata Mala, Tugunima, Tatumata, Tatakusakushigolo. No, Pagata Mala, away in Metala, Pagatama, Pame, Puati the Pala, Ake Pakripu, the Papali Soshi, Ditulo Pagatina Napo, the Pacalera, Clay, Atuyu, a clean. Pasanakiro, Talali Soshini, Pacropatu Patala, Patamu Pune. Away in Pagata Mala, Tala, famous Nilipathapu, Baura, no? Bakala le no bakala le sociable passage no passage na tala pagitera mala a redo bakro patu pata agiklo no third meaning nile no tati lo pagitera ma no tati lo wi do tati lo tade ba no tati lo ta ro tade ba awani ora ba ja pagitera mala ni termo shi saluki sabul luti lo no kisilui no pagitete ma pane no when tade ba uthomela sikoro no le kimusi no le kimusi le temusi saluki asapo luti le third or kisili afane me tade ba no tati lo da wi lo kero tade ba no when it ta mata yearly beginning no yearly beginning no pagitete ma pane the first murder in Bethinia no first murder in Pagitete Mala over Genesis chapter 4 1 to 15 no when it demonstrates a Louis no demonstrates a Louis is supported to let see open it no when the first murder no Pamati Sudaraga the pain is so no do Pagitete Mala not Tilubera Akikuni over no Pagitete Mala Litamus who supported to lo qui do no shadow sinui open no shadow sinui no no panin ne pagitinya la tatti ro wara barber no babylon no barber I want it that town of the babylon I want it tatti ro wara bakala we patho the plum no we patho the itana kutara I want it over la no little moses shadow sitter supported to the queen open it all no the pain tak over so abraham no that was Abraham the core of Abraham over there little Moshe a salute siki no little Moshe a salute siki no hi no this is I talk about the Bible okay I talk about the Bible talk about the story of the Old Testament okay Old Testament meaning is the beginning okay it's the beginning because we know about the Bible and the first is the creation and sin okay the God creation okay and then they doing the sin they do sin later than the first murder is that his son okay we know about this at the Genesis chapter 4 okay verse 1 to 15 this is a murder first murder you can look it in the Bible you can read it there okay Noah and the flood mean the Genesis chapter 6 1 to 9 you can read it and then okay chapter 17 you can read it there too okay hi yes okay everything okay we know hi brother we know about the everything here is the you know that the tower the tower of the Babylon you know the tower of Babylon is the Genesis 11 and the verse 1 to 9 you will see there this tower is the making God angry okay another thing is that the call of Abraham that the God called to the Abraham Genesis 12 1 to 9 one you want to read you will open the Bible and then you can read in there okay another thing is the destruction of the Sodom and Gomorrah we know that distortion not destruction this is a destroy everything or destroy everything okay Sodom and Gomorrah Genesis 19 verse 1 to 28 you can read in there you will know exactly here the Hagar Esma Hagar and Esma mean there's a this is a Abraham is wife okay Abraham is the slave wife mean he got a children, Ishmael. Ishmael is the Abraham first son. Okay, Abraham first son is Ishmael. It's a Genesis chapter 16, verse 1 to 15. You can read it there too. Okay, and then Genesis chapter 21 and verse 9 to 21, and over there you can go to reading that. Okay, the birth of Iscah. Okay, Isaac. The birth of Isaac means Genesis chapter 21, verse 1 to 8. You will see there what happening to the Isaac, the birth problem. A lot of them problem. Okay, his mother is here. Abraham offering to Isaac. It's a very big deal. Is nobody cannot do this. Okay, his father only one son. He suffering to God. Okay, this is a very suffering. Okay, it's not good for us. We don't have the chance like this. Okay, because our children not listen to us. Israel is listen to high. Israel is listen to his father. That's why Abraham can do this. Okay, this is obeying children. Okay, the story of Jacob. We know the story of Jacob is very good person. Okay, Jacob. Genesis chapter 25 and then 19 to 35, and then Genesis chapter 29. You will read it there. You can see. Okay, the story of Joseph. Joseph is the trust son, the younger one. Okay, the younger one. Okay, Genesis chapter 37 to 50. Okay, 50. You can read in there. You can see. Okay, this is the story of the story of Joseph. You can see there. Now when you meet Allah, so you thought no? When in yes, okay. And then after that, Moses in Egypt. Okay, Moses in Egypt. What happened in the Egypt? Okay, we know that as a Jude chapter 1 verse 1 to 14. Okay, 1 to 14. You read in chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You can read in. Okay, you know exactly what happened in the Egyptian. Okay, this is a very good story. Okay, another is the Moses wilderness wandering. Okay, this is episode 215, 22 to 20. Okay, 26 and then 31. Okay, chapter 31, 18 to 34. Okay, you're reading in the 35, chapter 35. The number is 21 to 21 and then 25. You will see there everything happening. Okay, the 10 commandments, we know that God given to the Israel people 10 commandments. Okay, this is the good. Okay, the good thing, the teaching our children, and we should be do something exactly. Okay, you will read in there. Okay, as a do chapter 20 verse 1 to 17. You will read in there. You will see that Deuteronomy and the chapter 5 1 to 21 over there too. Okay, this is separate the talking about. Okay, the king of Moab and the Balaam. This is number 22 to the 24. 22, 23, 24. You can read it there. Okay, here's and the people. Okay, the people of great faith in the Old Testament. Okay, Testament. You will know there how many people has the great faith. Okay, the great faith. You know that Rahab have the Israel spy. Rahab have the Israel spy. You will read in the Joshua chapter 2. Okay, and then Joshua's military state gifts. What does it mean? Joshua chapter 3, chapter 6. You will read there. You will see. Okay, Deborah's and a woman are the power and the judgment. Okay, this is the first woman, not power, her power and the judgments in the Israel. Okay, here. Okay, Judges 4, chapter 4, 5. Okay, you will read there, you will see there. Okay, here you can see the gerund, the consequential. You can see the just 6 judgments, just 6 chapter 6 verse 11 to 8. Okay, just 32 too, you can read it there. Okay, you know the Susan, the man of the great strength. Okay, you can see the just 13 to 16, you can see there, you can read it easily. Okay, you know about the Ruth, the woman of the loyalty and the devotion. Okay, loyalty, devotion. This woman is very grateful to the mother-in-law, the Ruth. You know that I very respectful this woman. Ruth chapter 1, Ruth chapter 2, Ruth chapter 3, Ruth chapter 4. You read it there, you see everything is correct. Okay, very hard to follow the mother-in-law for Ruth. Okay, it's not possible to us. Okay, another thing is the Samuel prophets who listen to God. Samuel prophet is listen to God. Okay, when he little time, he doing in the church, he living in the church, he doing everything in the church. Okay, he is a good prophet. Okay, he is good prophet. You can read in there 1 Samuel chapter 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 13, and then 15, and then 28, and then 31. You can read in there, you can see. Okay, there. David has faith. Okay, David has faith. The shepherd king, they call shepherd king. Okay, this is First Samuel chapter 16, 17. Okay, 2:27. Okay, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay, another thing is 29, 30. Okay, and then 25 too. You can read in there, you can see. 2 Samuel chapter 2, chapter 11, chapter 12, chapter 15, 1 to 8, and 18. Okay, you can read it. First King is the first King chapter 1, verse 1 to 3. Okay, 31, 1 to 31. Sorry, no, 1 to 31. And then First King chapter 2, 1 to 11. You can read in there. This is David, the shepherd king. Does he take care very good? Okay, because you know the David is good man. Solomon, the wise king. This is David's son, Solomon, the wise king. Why? How Solomon can come to the wise king? Okay, he dreamed to God. He asked, only give him to wisdom. He don't need anything, only just wisdom. How to take care of the people is a good thing. Okay, when God call you, you have to be think about it. Okay, ask something. Okay, you will be wisest. Okay, First King chapter 2, verse 12 to 11, and First King chapter 43. You can read in there. Okay, Elijah has the great prophet. Okay, we know this, and then Elisha, his successor. We know that. Okay, Nehemiah is the hero's leader. Okay, and then Esther is the brave queen. Okay, Daniel prophets all the courage. Okay, we know that. Jonas and the revolution and the missionary. Okay, Jonah is very scary. Okay, he don't want to go to the Nineveh. Okay, he don't want to do the Nineveh. He go to the Tisha. Okay, Tasha. This is the wrong way he go, but he get it. But later than he doing something that grateful to God. Okay, I know that this is a very hard to do about this. Okay, I want to talk about a little bit about the Quran. Okay, a little bit about the Quran. current people, a lot of current people hears to great faith in the Bible. No, who can know exactly? Okay, we have faith in the world, but we don't have God's thing to do. Okay, sometimes we troubling. Okay, sometimes we weakling. Okay, we worry about so many things in the world. This is not good. We believe God. Okay, sometimes we feel okay, we feel friends, maybe we feel to leader. Okay, no, cái này về cái chế bác khá là chạy tắc luôn nó bác khá là nó cái sai và lỡ lý do xí phụ này nó ở bên này mình ta là bởi vì nó mà là nó ta đi lo ta thọ nó ở bên này mình ta là ta đề bá đó ta đi lo ta đó và mà tí ra sụt trên được cả bất tin nhá sau nó ở đây chịu bao nhiêu kilo nó ở bên này mình pu được cái chế lo nó đó bởi vì nó mà là ta đi lo vào đó nó ta lo thoát thoát đó so abraha ta có đó bởi vì nó mà là ta mà học cái wisdom của mua ra cái kilo đó nó cả đó so similar nó ở bên này đó bởi nó mà là so sẽ uplet thọ cái kilo bởi vì nhà là so abraha này lúc đó phụ khoa cái kilo ở bên này story ở bên này so yaku so nó chắc cũng nó so yaku cái kilo nó đó bên này so yuta cái kilo đó bởi vì mua so mua xe cái kilo bởi vì nhà so mua xe cái kilo đó bởi vì nó mà là nó phải nên so mua số over đã phe đã là bởi vì nó mà nó là bởi vì nó akuputu we were phải này cái kilo nó bởi vì nó mà là the silver ne made la tamalo borsi le kasaya hilo weda do pagita ma la wisdo do kamora ake klone lo do pakrapatu patata tirpha u ama le bata mu pu lo phaine batinya la ta phita ma tirpha u ama sikolo phaine no bakala pa o la ta sutana le akhe aklene me ka tirpha le no phaine khora raha no so raha ne me da la ama sura no pagita ma la ala kwa sura no ta bởi vì mà vấn đề ba là đi ra nó bởi vì có ta xếp nó đó phải này nó bởi vì mà nó soi su lo ô ra là bởi vì mà nó ta đi ta ya phụ nó cái ra là cái này nó để bổ ra mấy bỏ là xin nhớ có khúc chơi cả mấy bỏ mượn nó đó bởi vì nhà là phải này là nó bởi vì mà là guardian này mấy bỏ chắc là amara nó đó so siso me parga la agi super su daga noruta la pagita ma noruta la apo pagita ma no apo ami pa ki awane no pagita ma no awane pa mu la akhe pagita no ora tanna no pagita ma la phai ni no so sumwe la me pa la no wi la pagita ma kana mara ki chwa kli tha no phani so lu la asukta me la sopa wane patinya sopa de le de kli la gi lo đó so da we la awe me fa kwato so pa kwato no puite na ma so slow mo la me ra pa ku ba ku ti no puite na ma la so ila za me no so ila ja la great profess no puite nya si ko phani lo no puite na ma la so ila sa la awe manera no puite na ma na khimya so na khimya la ati ki ti lo ke we could do no is that me so no pa mu ga la ma pu plera pa isla po nó qua briefo nó pa kina pa yusapo nó sodanela me wirga nó soyuna me pala ora tana sikola mana basana kira awe tamala pura atapita ma letane kudara ne mo patu pata no mo pakelera le klemekletor pa ko mulo yuaglu thapu ne ki no tablo na bye bye pachila takile kilba